Feels like my sinuses are gonna have a baby. I'm dying. I need to edit. They're just gonna keep bugging me. We're gonna go. Okay, we'll edit the video. We'll edit the video. We're gonna edit the video. Okay. Okay. Hello? Oh, yeah. Yeah, you're at the rink? Yeah, sure, yeah. I'll be right over. I just got a shower. Be quick. See ya. Bye. What is good, and welcome back to the Freestyle Trick Tip. My name is Mike Osterman, and every week on this channel right here that you can subscribe to below, my friends and I like to break down some sort of a freestyle skateboarding trick. If you aren't familiar with what that looks like, it kind of looks a little bit like this. Sunday fun day. For me, for you it's Thursday, hopefully. Everybody else in California seems to have had this like gnarly flu cold thing for the last like month, and I finally just picked it up. So I'm not doing much skating right now. I'm gonna sit on the sidelines and have a really fun time filming one of my favorite skateboarders, my roommate, Strouss. And now this is perfect because you guys have been asking for handstand kickflip trick tips. And I admittedly can't do handstand kickflips. I'm horrible at being upside down. My handstand game is weak as hell, and I'm working on it. But since Stowe is a master of the handstand kickflip, I'm going to allow him to show you the key maneuvers, the trick to the trick when it comes to handstand kickflips. So Stowe suggests that when you first begin the handstand flip, you don't start actually doing the handstand flip, right? You should start by doing your handstands against the wall. This is the best way to become comfortable being upside down. You won't hurt yourself if you are setting up so that as you fall backwards, you kind of just hit the wall. Gives you more confidence, allows you to sort of mess up without any real consequences. And once you're getting comfy, we step it up to the grass. Doing handstands on a soft piece of dirt or on some grass can really help you to build up the muscle and the sort of comfort that you need to get into a handstand. Now let's say you're walking on your hands, you're doing handstand push-ups. You can begin to do the trick on your board. That is pressing up onto a handstand with your hands on the board and maybe figuring out how to flip it. Now this is where my expertise with handstand flips stops. I can't handstand on my board. I am just a weak little dude. Don't show your arms, Mike. People don't want to see that. And for that reason, I'm gonna turn it over to the man himself, Strouss. What's up, Stowe?
Hello everybody, I am Strouss. Congratulations, you have finally learned how to do a handstand. Now you are ready to get on your board, start rolling, and do a rolling handstand flip. You'll start just like you're riding a normal skateboard, on your feet in your comfortable position. You will then put your hands into position. The best place to put your hands is literally in the grooves of the skateboard. Your fingers hanging over the end of the skateboard, because that allows you to both hold a long handstand, and that's what gives you the position to be able to flip out when you're ready. Because when you do the flip, your fingertips are kind of what helps roll the board over. I call it spider grip because you're gripping the board the way a spider would. Your feet shift to the center of the skateboard, kind of together. That's what allows you to pop up into the handstand. Once you are in the handstand, you will then kick up into the air, pull the board towards you, do the flip, land, continue to roll. You will kick your feet as you're pulling the board to make it flip. The board will travel about a foot from when you flip it. It's not like a kickflip where the board pops straight up and goes back down. There's a traveling distance that happens from your hands to your feet. It's a really good trick to have, great for a game of skate, great for contests. It's a good circus trick to have, good party trick, and that's the handstand flip. Feel free to follow me for more handstand craziness or just skateboarding madness in general. Strouss, and hope you have fun learning this trick. It's a good one.
Are you fucking closing out my video?
Yeah,
okay.
You said I could do this.
Not this part.
Open to
you guys, we'll see you guys soon. Enjoy the variations. Stowe is clearly so much better at explaining the sort of full body skating thing than I am. But if you guys want to see more like this, feel free to subscribe to Stowe, subscribe to me, check out the videos, and we'll see you Thursday for another video. Keep dancing.
I'm drifting. Thinking about you